Yo, what's up, guys? It's your girlfriend, Sarah. Oh my Lanta, we are...
Look at what my sim is doing. A handstand.
Whoa, look at my hair. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Gird.
Oh my god.
Gird. They can work now.
We were gonna come hang out, but we have to wake up at 5 a.m. to go BF shopping.
Where should they work?
Did you just hear Morgan? She keeps farting. Look at my little puppy. She's so sleepy. She's so sleepy. Do you guys want us to buy you some presents? Just tell us what you want. We'll buy you presents.